Hi! In front of me is Snap Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Now you need to tap on Record and select while using the app and Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on this middle button. If you wish to end it and save it though, you need to stop it and tap on Save over here. You can also pick one of those options like Voice Focus, Normal or Environment, then select Record. If you wish to access list of all your recordings, click on those two lines, and as you can see, my recording is over here. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Oh, so sorry, I need to go back. Hold it now and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here select Rename, type in wherever you wish to, and just save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your recording, you need to hold it again, but this time select this pin icon instead. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on this gear icon at the top right corner and tap on this switcher to enable or disable high quality format of your recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!